Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Now today we discuss the examples based on properties of determinants. As we know already we discussed the properties of determinants. Knowing that properties of determinants, now today we will take examples. See, very first one mentioned, prove that the first one b plus c a b c plus a b c a plus b is 4abc mentioned. Okay, see solution. Given example is b plus c first row a b c plus a b c a plus b. Okay, now we are reduce the expansion so that we can get the answer is 4ac. For that we are applying r1 to c. R1 means first row. As you know that this one we call it as R1 row, this is R2 row, and this is R3. Applying R1 means which one changes here? R1 changes. Applying R1 to R1 minus R2 minus R3 means these two we are doing the subtraction. So that we can get at least one should be 0. Okay. See, B plus C. We are writing as this b plus c, and next minus b, and next minus c. Okay, a. Next subtraction, c plus a is there. Subtract minus c, minus c. Next minus c. Okay. Next a as it is. Subtract minus b, minus a, minus c. So that only which one changes? R1 changes. Therefore, plus b minus b get cancelled, plus c minus c get cancelled, 0. Next plus a minus a get cancelled, minus 2c. Next plus a minus a get cancelled, we get minus b minus b, minus 2b. Next b c plus a b, c a plus b. And next, as you know that expansion of determinant, how to expand? Applying the plus minus plus. Knowing that one, we are expanding this one. 0 as it is. 0 into everything is 0. Therefore, we will not worry. Write as it is. Next, minus into minus. What we get it is minus into minus become plus 2c. And for that expansion, if you want to calculate the expansion of this, delete the corresponding row and column, you get b c a plus c. b c a plus b. Okay. Next for plus as it is, next minus 2b. For that this expansion, delete the corresponding row and column, we get b c plus a c c. b c plus a c c. Okay. Next, apply cross multiplication. 2c. This is next cross multiply. b into a. b into a is ab. b into b is b square. Next cross multiply. Minus bc. Minus bc. Using cross multiply. Next plus c into minus, minus 2b. Next cross multiply. b into c is bc. Next cross multiply. c into c, c square. But which sign? Negative sign. Next it is minus c. Okay. Simplify, we get the answer as 4abc. Remember that using the properties of determinants, such type of example is asked in the exam for 4 marks, any one question. And this is part E question. Okay. We will take next example. Next example is mentioned. Without expanding expounding. Prove that x plus y plus z, z plus x, first row, second row, z, x, y, third row, 1, 1, 1. This is 0. This is your example. And we can prove this example. See, we have to do the changes using the properties of determinants. See, if we add these two, see, add these two, we'll get, see, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Means there is a common element exists in first row, that is x plus y plus z. That one we are applying here. Okay, this is first row, this is R1 row, this is R2 row, this is R3 row. Okay, and we want to prove without expand. Means by expansion we get 0, but without expand means using the properties of determinants we can prove this is equal to 0. Okay, see what we are doing here, changes R1 to what we are doing, R1 plus R2. We get it is x plus y plus z. Yes. Next here also x plus y plus z, and here also x plus y plus z, and z, x, y as it is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Next, see in first row, which one is common? First row, x plus y plus z. See, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. Take it outside because we know that the properties, if any row or column is multiplied by some constant k, then whole determinant is multiplied by that constant. Therefore, we will take it outside 1, 1, 1. Z, x, y. 1, 1, 1. Okay, see, and again we know that if any two row or any two columns are similar, naturally the value of the determinant is what? 0. Correct? X plus y plus z into 0 equal to what? Okay, like this we are proved the given example. Okay. And then next is next example is mentioned. Show that 1 plus a 1 1 1 plus b 1 1 1 plus c is a b c 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by c, or this also you can write ABC plus BC plus CA plus A. Like this is the given example. Now we want to convert this one is in the form of 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C. For that, see, the example is of the form 1 plus A 1 1 1 1 plus B 1 1 1 1 plus C. For this we have to take 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C form. For that, I will take, concentrate, we will take, there is a common element here A, here there is a common element B, here we will take common element C. So that if I take A, B, C common, if I take first row by A common, you get it is 1 by A plus 1, because A by A, so that balance. Again it is 1 by A, again it is 1 by A, because in first row we are taking which one is common? A common. Second row B common you can take, means you can write 1 by B, 1 by B plus B by B, 1 by B. Next third row 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C plus C by C. Next A, B, C, 1 by A by A means it is plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by B, 1 by B, B by B get cancelled plus 1 by, next 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C, C by C means it is plus, you get like this. Okay, and next see, we want here what? 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. For that if I apply R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3, so that we can get the answer. Okay. Please, by practice only we get the answer. Please practice it. A, B, C will take outside. R1 changes. Which one changes here? R1 changes. We write 1 plus 1 by A, rewrite. Add this. This is R1, but this is R2, and this is R2. First row, second row, third. Next 1 by B, 1 by C. Next 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 plus 1 by C. Next 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C plus. Next 1 by B, 1 by C. Next 1 by B plus 1, 1 by C. Next 1 by B, 1 by C plus 1. Means A, B, C. See, throughout first row 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Take outside. Fill it 1, 1, 1, 1 by B, 1 by B plus 1 by B, 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C plus. But we need answer only this. For that, again we are applying the properties of determinants. See, if we done column, this is C1 column, C2 column, C3 column. Understood? This is C1 column, C2 column, C3 column. If we change C1 to C1 minus C3 or C1 minus C2, we will get the answer. Okay? Right. C1 to C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2. We get 1 minus 1, 1, 1. 1 by B minus 1 by B, 1 by B plus 1, 1 by B. Because only we are doing the changes in the first column. Next, 1 by C Next, minus 1 by c, minus 1 by c, 1 by c plus, and we are writing this one as it is a, b, c. 1 plus 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. You get this is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 by b plus 1, 1 by b, cancel, minus 1, 1 by c, 1 by c plus is abc, 1 plus 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. See, again if you want you can do the apply C2 to C2 minus C3. This one become C. Again we are applying C2 to C2 minus C3. This to this one. 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. We get 0. C2 to C2 minus C2. 1 minus 1 and 1 as it is. Only changes in which column? Second column. There is no changes in the first as well as third column. 0, 1 by B. This is minus 1. In between changes. C2 to C2 minus C3. 1 by B plus 1 minus 1 by B. Next 1 by C minus 1 by C minus 1. And this is 1 by C plus 1 as this. Okay. Next C. Plus 1 by B minus 1 by C minus 1 by C. You get A, B, C. 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 by B, minus 1, minus 1, 1 by C, plus 1. Next we get A, B, C. 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Okay. Please concentrate. For this type of example, we make it at least these two are 0 or these two are 0 in upper or lower, so that you can get the answer. See, this is 0, this is 0. Expansion. We get 0. Expansion of determinant plus minus plus 0 everything is 0. Next 0 plus 1. Next, for this leave the row, leave the column, you get second order cross multiply. 0 into minus 1 is 0. Next, minus of minus 1. We get minus into minus become what it is plus. 1 into 1 is what? 1. Therefore, the answer is A, B, C. 1 plus 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. Or else multiplies. We get A, B, C plus A, B, C by A plus A, B, C by B plus A, B, C by C. Okay. B, B, A, C, C cancel. We get A, B, C plus B, C plus A, C plus A. Okay. Like this.